Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Huddle.
Mrs. Sexton, I'm here with the coolest kids I could gather. And I'm here with you. And I need help because Mr. Joe is starting a fundraiser. He wants to help with the dance-a-thon, the Revolution Run.
The Revolution Run. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for the Revolution
We're
Run.
gonna run.
And there's gonna be bounce houses and food trucks and all sorts of fun
There's
things.
some teachers, and we'll throw pies in their face.
Ooh.
And there is gonna also be a petting zoo with a bunny.
Oh, not a bunny.
A rabbit.
No way, that's awesome.
That's so fun. I can't wait.
Well, Mr. Joe's doing his part to help out. He's selling Otter Pops, okay?
Cool.
He sold already 462. How many kids?
462.
They're in packages of 6. So if you go to Mr. Joe, you buy 6 Otter Pops. Each pack of Otter Pops is $5. So what I'm trying to figure out, and this is like a lot of steps, and then my brain hurts, and I'm like, help! So how much money did he raise?
I have no idea.
We're going to find out.
Let's find out. All right, so you guys know that in 3rd grade, we like to use bar models to help us out. So let's go ahead and think of a bar model that we could use for this problem. So let's see, do we know our total in this problem? Do we have a total that we're working with?
Yeah.
What's our total that we're working with, Savvy?
Our total is 462.
462. And what are those 462 things? What are they? What are they, buddy?
Otter Pops.
Otter Pops, yep. So they're Otter Pops. We have 462 Otter Pops, but they are split up. What are they split up into? What are they split up into, Charlotte?
They're split up into groups of 6.
Groups of 6. Good. So we know that they're split up into groups of 6, but do we know how many groups of 6 they're split up into?
No.
No. So we have to figure out if we have a total of 462, they're split into equal groups of 6. What operation am I going to use to figure out how many groups there are? Am I going to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Which operation splits things up into groups? Savvy?
Division.
Division, very good.
I feel better already.
All right, so we're going to start by dividing 462 into groups of 6.
Wow.
Now, this is a long division problem, right, guys? So we're going to have to look at our hundreds, our tens, and our ones separately. If I look at my hundreds, I have how many hundreds do I have in 462? How many do I have, Charlotte?
We have 4.
We have 4 hundreds. So can we put 4 hundreds in a group of 6? Can we do that, buddy?
No.
No, Buddy says we can't do that. So we have to look at our tens. 4 hundreds is equal to 40 tens, and then we have 6 tens. So we have 46 tens. Miss Huddle wants to sing.
Well,
All right.
here we go. I need help.
Okay.
We have to find out how many 6s we can fit into 46 tens without going over. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, I think that I found a way to count by 6. 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. 4, 2, 40. Stop. Uh-oh. Back one. Not 48, but 4.
42.
42.
So how many groups of 6 tens make 42 tens?
Say it, everyone.
7.
Oh, yeah, 7 groups of 6 make 42 tens. And so if I use up 42 tens and I had 46 tens, how many tens are left? How many tens are left? Savvy?
There are 4 tens left.
There are 4 tens left. Great. Now, I can't split those 4 tens into a group of 6, can I? No. So, but I know that 4 tens is equal to how many ones?
4. 4 times
How many ones is 4 tens equal to?
40.
40. So I know we have 40, but I also know that I have 2 ones. So I have a total of 42 ones. Wow, wait a minute. If I have 42 ones and I split them into packs of 6, that's going to be...
Buddy?
How many packs of 6 can I make out of 42?
7.
7. Very good. So 7 groups of 6 is 42. So I can subtract to make sure that I don't have any leftovers. Do I have any leftovers? No. So I know now that Mr. Joe sold 77 packs of Otter Pops.
Wow, that's good selling.
Yeah.
Are we finished?
No.
No. Why?
No, but Mr. Joe, why aren't we finished?
Why?
Because we haven't ended yet.
Why
Well,
not?
Savannah?
Because we don't find out how many packs he sold. We find out how much money he's.
Oh.
So we have to. I think that we have to add 5 for each package.
Wow.
Ooh, we have to add 5 77
So we
times.
have to
That
do-
takes a long time. Is there something shorter than adding 5 77 times? Wait, you want to count by 5 77 times?
Multiplication.
Oh, let's use multiplication so we can do 77 times 5.
That's easier.
Ooh, okay, what's 7 times 5?
35.
35, which is 5 ones and 3 tens. What's 5 groups of 7 tens? How many tens does that give us?
30. 8.
7 times 5 is
35.
plus 3 more is 36, 37, 38. So we now have $385. So we now know that Mr. Joe made $385.
Mr. Joe, thank you for running
Let's write
for
our
school.
sentence now. Mr. Joe raised Mr. Joe raised $385. All right, we're all done. So now we're gonna give you guys a challenge problem for you to do at home.
Give a teacher high five. Teacher high
I wonder
five.
what
Give
Mr.
a teacher
Joe is
high
going
five.
to use that. Sophie sells $183 in groups of 3. Each group costs $7. How much money does she make? And we are gonna figure out how much.
Good work, Sophie.
Yeah. So,
I'm confused.
well, if you watch this video again,
You are gonna figure.
you can figure it
it
out. All right. Do this problem tonight and bring it back to your teacher tomorrow for a
Teacher high five. Give a teacher high five. Teacher high five. Give a teacher high five.
Good night.